Hello everyone. Today we'll make one more practical model of machine block, and today's problem is first. So first question, first practical. So as you can see, front view and side view. This is the front view and this is the side view. These two views are given to us and we have to generate its top view first, then we have to make its 3D or isometric view, then thermocol model. So first of all, by observing front view and side view, different dimensions are 10, 20, 25, 50, 45. 45 is the height, 45 and 55, 10, and this is 20. So first of all, what to do? First of all, we have to extend our limits of the front view for its top view. So for projection work, first of all, extend all limits of its front view for the top view like this. Extend them. Right. Then from side view to top view, so again we have to extend these limits up to reference line first, then you can rotate all these 3 points up to this axis. So rotate them, or at angle 45 you can also extend them like this. This angle is 45 from XY, 45 from XY, and then draw lines parallel to XY like this, parallel to XY, parallel to XY, and parallel to XY. So this is the structure for missing side view. Now from the front and from the side view, it is clear that the length is 55 and width is 45. So first of all, we'll mark these points, right? Then we have a vertical discontinuity from the side view. From that side again we have a vertical discontinuity and horizontal discontinuity after 20 and after 25. So from this corner, observing from front, this is the discontinuity. Observing from side, this is the discontinuity. It means these are the planes of discontinuity, right? Okay, we have another line to project. One more line is there. Yes. Okay, this is the plane which we are talking about. So this is the discontinuity. Now from these points 1, 2, and this is the point of discontinuity, we'll have a plane. So plane up to this point, right? It means this part is now removed. Then we have to extend this up to this point. Why? Because we have another discontinuity. This is the discontinuity. So yes, so for this plane, height is 10 and the height is 10. Okay, so remaining 20 means this is the 20 from the side, this is 20, and this is the point, right? And then from this point to this point, it's a slant plane. Slant plane means from the top again one discontinuity will be there. Okay, so this is final view, final top view, right? Now we can use dark pencil. and this. Okay, so this is the final top view, missing view or final top view of this machine block. Now using front view, top view and side view, we have to generate its isometric view. So first of all, what to do? First of all, we have to mark its base along first iso axis or along second iso axis. So we'll assume this as the reference direction. So for this direction, 55 and 45. So 55 along this, 45 along this. Let me check. Okay. Yes. Then from these 2 points, draw lines parallel to first and second iso axis. Parallel or not? Yes. It is parallel. Acceptable now. Okay, then we have to mark these points. These points means from the top view we know that after 25, this is 25, after 25 we have a discontinuity. So along 55, after 25, draw a line. Then on that side, after 20. So from this point, 20, we have one more discontinuity. Then from these 2 points, the height is 20. From this corner, the height is full means 45. Again from this corner, the height is 45. So what to do? We'll extend these corners vertically for 45. So before that, I'm drawing vertical lines for extension parallel to third or vertical axis. Okay, so these are vertical lines or projectors of different points or corners. Now from these points, first of all we have to mark height of 45. So height is 45, height is 45, height is 45. Here also the height is 45. And from the front side, from the left side, from the right side on the left, this height is 10. So we'll mark 10, 10. And 10, right. And again on this line, 45. So height of 45, acceptable. Okay, now for this part the height is 20. So 20 and 20. Back to the line, and where is the locus? Right, back to the line, this is the point. Right, and from these 2 points, a corner. And one more thing, another plane of thickness 10. So it's better to extend these 2 limits for 10 and 10, and then vertically down, we'll join the locus, okay. So this is the final structure of the given machine block. Okay, now from these 2 points again we have to extend we have to extend it for 15. So further extension parallel to this axis for 15, and we have to extend it for 15 like this. Then we'll join them. Last slant plane from the last corner to this point, from the last corner to this point, and then this is visible. So this is the final view of the given machine block. Right, now using dark pencil, show all visible edges. Okay, so this is the final isometric view of the given machine block. Now for sectioning or for thermocol model, we have three ways or three options for sectioning or for cutting the thermocol. First is horizontal, but in this problem it's a slant plane. So if we cut horizontal plates like this, then how to decide or how to manage this slant plane? So it's a bad idea. Now we have two options again. We'll cut vertically like this and vertically like this. Again, in this scheme, if we cut this plane like this, so this is the first plate, and then after this plane again we'll have a slant plane. So again, it's not a better option. Third option is good for this problem. So if we cut vertical planes like this or strips like this, then from this point, total is 20, so half of 20, 10 like this, then second plate like this, third like this, and fourth plate like this. So this sectioning or this cutting is better for this problem. So in total we have to use front view. We'll cut two planes of this shape entire, then one plate of this rectangular shape, this is the shape, and one or two, depends on the thickness, one or two of this. So this is the shape. So two of this, one or two of this will do. Now for sheet thickness, the total length is 20, here it is 10, but here it is 15. So if you have a thermocol sheet of thickness 10 each, then go for 10, and for 15 use that sheet, no matter, because we don't have to match exact dimensions. Or if you have 15, then 15 is okay. Then again you will use 15 mm thickness for 10. For 20 also you can use 15. Or if you want to match exact dimensions, then use different sheets of thickness 15, 10 and 20, or a combination of 15, 20 and 10. So from my side, you can use a sheet of thickness 12 or 15 for this. Same can be used for this, same can be used for this. Okay, now in thermocol model, first of all we have to mark these shapes in the front view. So the length is 25 plus 15, 40, and double of 40. So from 0 to 8, this is 80, and 45. So double of 45, 90, or 9 centimeter. This is the point. And then the length is 55. So 55 and double of 55, 110. So this is 110 or 11, right? And then from this corner 10 up. So in the sheet 20, 20. Okay, so this is the first shape which we have to cut. Again we'll put this and then we'll cut another shape, another plate of the same shape. Then for the second shape, second is a rectangle of size 25 by 45. So 25 by 45. So from here we can cut 25 means 50. So 0 to 5, 50, and 45 means again 90. So 0 to 9, total is 90. One plate of this shape. Third and last, height 20 and width 25. So height 20 means again we will extend it, and double of 20, 40. So up to 4. Okay. And right. So now we have to cut these plates. So first plate, okay, acceptable. And then for side plate, these are the rectangles, and then using this plate like this. Yes, angle is same. Okay, so now we have two plates of this thickness. Thickness is 20. Okay. I think you know better how to cut thermocol. I am just explaining it. So, two plates of thickness 10 and 10, double in the ratio. Then for finishing, use it. And last, for the last plate, okay, so this is the final model. After joining these four faces, we'll get a model like this. So this is the thermocol model. Now after cutting these shapes, next thing is apply some Fevicol, or you can use pens also, ball pen or stick pen. Like this. Okay, so now your thermocol model is ready, and if you want to use, you can use color papers also for these boundaries. And last, please show edges of the machine block or solid using blue, black or red dark marker, like this. So these are all dark visible edges of the sheet which we have to show. Okay, so your thermocol model is ready. So this is the final model which you have to make for the practical number 1, and then write your roll number, and class, or in school you can also write your name. So name, roll number and class you have to write in the back or bottom face of the model. So this is all from my side, and this is the final thermocol model with slant plane. So from the front, this is the front view, from this side this is the side view, and from the top this is the top view, and this is the isometric view of this thermocol model. Now I'll request you to please draw front, top and missing view, then try to generate its isometric view, and then make thermocol model of this problem. And if you have any doubt, any problem in any of the question or topic or practical related to engineering graphics, please write your comments in the comment box. Thank you.